Hello everybody, today let us learn how to disable or enable the laptop's keyboard. So let's get started. So to disable your laptop's keyboard, press shift key for 8 seconds until you get a sound like this. Then you will get a pop-up like this where you have to select yes option to disable your keyboard. Now your keyboard has been disabled. Now to enable the keyboard, you have to press the shift key again for 8 seconds until you get a sound like this. Now your keyboard has been enabled and you are ready to use your keyboard. And stay tuned for the next video. Thank you for watching.